Yo, what's up? This is Raid Manguera. Heads up lang muna tayo kasi may paparating po tayo na Poco X8 Pro series. So, series ito na lahat Pro version. Pro version. Okay? And as expected, nakikita natin dito, yan, March 17, 2026, alas 8 sa Pilipinas time, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba yun ako? Yes, I think it's 8 p.m. sa March 17. So, around 1 week from now. And then, possible chipset, Dimensity 8500 Ultra. Okay? Possible Antutu score, kung mahilig kayong sumubaybay sa mga Antutu score, that's 2.2 million. That's 2.2 million para sa isang mid-range smartphone. Okay? And we have the other one. Ito. Dimensity 9500S. Ha! Ano? And ito ba? Meron pa ako nakita ang isang poster na galing din sa kanila to. Actually, lahat to grab to sa kanilang Facebook page. The Poco X8 Pro Max. So, these two is yung Poco X8 Pro and then X8 Pro Max. Okay? The chipset of the first one, the Pro, is the 8500 Ultra, which I believe naglalaro or katapat yun ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And the 9500S naman is katumbas ng 8 Elite Gen 5 or at least malapit doon na hindi talaga totally katumbas. So, kaabang-abang po yan. Abangan nyo. So again, Poco X8 Pro series, ngayong March 17, abangan nyo.